So what is causing the market to go up? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Please let's not forget that Jerome Powell is going to be speaking at a conference today with the Wall Street Journal at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I'm not mistaken, here in Arizona and in California, that is 11 a.m. So please, this is what everyone is simply waiting for. Are we going to raise interest rates more aggressive now that we have the CPI data that we received last week? That's the question that everyone is asking. Inflation is not pulling back or correcting itself as quickly as anticipated. So is this something that he's going to touch on? With that being said, the market's going up today, or the market did go up today. It peaked at about 6.5%. Right now it's up 3.1%. We just wrapped up our live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit Group. Up a little bit over 13K on the day. It doesn't really matter because, again, my position is not something that I intend to sell, at least not all of it, by the end of today. One thing that I need you guys to be aware of is because I know a lot of you guys are either not invested yet or thinking about getting invested. I need you guys to be aware that you shouldn't be getting too excited about the market being up 3% today when it was down 3% yesterday. It's insignificant, right? These choppy days really don't mean much. It would be much more impressive if we see a 5% gain over a week, right? Or a 10% gain week over week. Something consistent, something actually showing signs of an uptrend. This means nothing. I mean, market has sold off all week last week. So the market being up, 3% today after selling off 3% yesterday, it doesn't come at much of a surprise. It's great. I'm very grateful for it. But let's not get too excited, right? Looking at this on the 4-hour time frame very quickly, we could see this consistent descending pattern. I'm making you aware of this even when I'm invested in TQQQ. Just because I decide to do something never means that you should as well. And I want you guys to be aware of this because I want you to be more selective if you can't tolerate risk. If you're not in it for the long haul, if you can't tolerate red days, then first off, maybe the market's not even for you. And second of all, overall descending moving average. We could see these lower highs and lower lows. Overall market direction is not in your favor right now. So if you suck at managing risk, if you suck at tolerating red days, then getting in right now is probably too early for you. I would rather you wait till what is said after 2 p.m. and see how the market factors that in. I'm thinking about hosting a live stream. I'll leave it up to you guys. It is kind of a short-term notice. It's 8 o'clock right now in Arizona. The event is at 11 a.m. Arizona time. So if you guys would like me to host that as a live stream, just destroy the like button. If this video gets over 1,000 likes and you subscribe to the channel, I would be more than happy to host that live stream, but I'll leave it up to you guys. I'm going to be at the HQ, so if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, you guys can even just meet me at the HQ, and we could all kind of just prepare for the market's reaction shortly after they begin to go live. So I'll leave it up to you guys. The only other thing that I quickly wanted to talk about is Walmart. Walmart reported earnings today. We saw this during our live trading session today with the LPP team. It dropped 9%. So why is this significant? Well, if we look at this on the day chart, look at this. We're right back to previous support levels at 132. So does this mean that Walmart is a buy? You know what, the way that I think of it, it's let the sucker bleed. We don't know if it's going to find a support at 132. We don't know if it's going to sell off to 120, right? Let the sucker bleed. Stop trying to predict the bottom of a stock. Let it bleed. Let it establish signs of a support. And if finally the bleeding stops, then you can begin to revisit the idea, set those alerts, create your trade plan, create your investing plan, and take advantage of the recovery potential that Walmart offers. I love making you guys aware of what offers a decent ROI. And yeah, Walmart, because of this aggressive sell-off, it sucks for current investors, but it's great for investors like you and I that weren't holding Walmart. So now we get presented this deal for those that want to take advantage of it. And that's what we're here to do. So don't want to take too much more of your guys' time. I'm excited to follow up. Again, if you guys have any questions, especially if you're an absolute beginner, I'm responding to all of my direct messages via Discord. My Instagram is still down. It got hacked and then it got disabled. So right now I don't have an Instagram. Message me on Discord, especially if you're an absolute beginner, and that's that first link in the description. If you guys would like me to host today's live stream, that's going to be at 11 a.m. Make sure you destroy that like button. And of course, I trade live every morning. If you want to learn a little bit more about my Learn Plan Profit group and what it's like to watch me trade live, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our LPP team and see if it's a good fit for you. If you're in Arizona, I'll see you guys at the HQ today. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.